What's up, guys? So today I am unboxing the Crosley Portfolio 3-speed portable turntable, and never thought that I would actually get a turntable. I think my grandma's the last one that I know to have one, but I saw this thing at HomeGoods and it was on clearance actually for like $50. Original MSRP was $200. I saw it at a bigger box retailer on sale for just over $100, and so couldn't pass this up for $50. Pretty good deal. So let's get into it. Okay, just some quick stats. It's a 3-speed turntable. It's Bluetooth enabled. It's got a moving magnetic cartridge, which I imagine most of them do, maybe not. Pitch control, which is huge for sound. Auxiliary input, and it's USB enabled. We are going to see if this can actually plug into just a regular outlet, because I don't have a USB to connect it to, especially in the place that I was going to put it. So yeah, let's get started. Right off the bat, looks like we have our outlet plug right here, and then our USB right here. Oh, this is the big boy. The big boy. What is this? Oh, this must be the audio jack right here. So all of our plugs, I'll put those to the side, and then we'll go ahead and pull it out. Oh. And I've never used a turntable before, at least not one like this, so we will see. All right, let's just set this to the side. Okay, not sure what this is. Looks like some type of cover for the turntable. I'm sure it'll come in handy. We've got our directions, instruction manual, and then limited warranty, which is always nice. Oh, even for something on clearance. Gotta have that. All right, set that side to the side. Now for what we've all been waiting for, which is actually unboxing the device. That's the side, that's the side. Yeah, this has definitely never been used, brand new. $50. Cardi B voice, $50, baby. All right, let's see how this works. Let's take all the plastic off. I'm trying to be as gentle as possible, people. I don't want to ruin anything. This is kind of dope, though. It's like a suitcase almost. Oh yeah, this is super dope. All right, I won't open it just yet. Put that to the side. All right, what are we working with right here? Damn, son. Wow, this is like, if you could see this in person, this thing is pretty sleek. Feels high quality. Obviously it's portable, so I can take it anywhere, and that's probably what the USB is for. And I brought a couple albums, so let's get it put up and set up and see how it sounds. So the speakers are on the side of the turntable, and it looks like it's got them on both sides, so you get even sound quality from the left and the right, which is really nice. Construction wise, it's got kind of a plastic body going on, but it certainly feels like it's high quality. And then this back lining is almost like a suede or a velvet, but it definitely doesn't feel cheaply made. I mean, it feels like an expensive turntable that I just happened to get for a really good discount. Figured I'd give it some ColdPlay, a little bit of Ghost Stories, because you know what, you just can't go wrong with ColdPlay. honestly, sound quality isn't bad. It's not the greatest. You don't have, the most advanced speakers in this Crosley turntable, but I'd probably give it a 7 or an 8. And then construction and ease of use, certainly a 10. Alright you guys, that's going to conclude the review for the Crosley Portfolio 3-speed portable turntable. For $50, this is a steal, and you'd be surprised what all you can find at HomeGoods. This and a lot of other neat items. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and if you've got any further questions over this device, and I will be back at you with another review soon. Peace.